Hello friends, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video we'll learn how to create any website backup using a Cpanel. If you have a Cpanel and you want to create a backup of your website, so I will teach you how you can create a backup for all your website one by one. Before starting this video, a request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. So let's start the video. First you go to open your Cpanel. As you can see, I have opened already my Cpanel, and now we just little bit scroll down, and in the scripts you have to have the first option, WordPress. Click on it, and when you click on this, they have mentioned on the top, do you know you choose automatically installation version of app. If you want to choose automatically update, then we are not interested in this. And if you more scroll down, you have to see all your website mentioned here. Now you choose which one you want to create a backup. So in my case, I want to create a backup for this website, sporttube.info. Then it have more options, so I just select a backup. I'm clicking on it, and in this area you have to automatically select a backup directory and backup database. And in this area you want to type your backup notice if you want, and if you see a little bit down there, have a backup location. So I just select a default because I want to save my backup in default folder. If we scroll down more, then we have all the information about our website, like a software, installation version, installation time, and everything. So after complete this, just click on backup installation, and when you click, the backup is ready in just few seconds. So just wait a few seconds and you see the backup is already saved. The backup was created successfully. So this is the way how you backup your all website one by one. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notifications for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.